What up, everybody? Thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be talking about how to use one camera, one lens, and multiple locations to get those shots that you need. I'm your host, Brian M. Garces, with Garces Bros. Stay tuned. All right, my peoples, location number one. The reason we chose this location is because the rails specifically make it look like we are on a building, giving it that illusion for high production value. Keyword, high production, low budget. Think about that. Now, I am shooting with an 18 to 35 millimeter zoom lens. The reason I chose that is because we are on the go, and it gives me the option from super wide to a mid focal length. So that is very important. Now, I could have chosen to go with multiple lenses, but that takes away time. And when you're doing these type of shoots, time is of the essence. Now, I do tell you, if you don't have a zoom lens, don't go be breaking bank or anything. Don't do that. Go rent a lens or something. Or use what you have. If you have a 50 nifty, use the 50 nifty. You can get your shots. Okay? As long as you are creative on your angles. Make sure you got good composition. Good framing. That's very important. Now, this is location number 2. I love location number 2. It's really close to location number 1, literally. Anyways, location number 2, the reason it was chosen is because of the shadows, the contrast, the depth of field, the light. It's all about lighting, guys. All about lighting. I love light. It sells the shot so elegantly. Okay? Now, one thing here that you also need to notice is that before I did any of this, I made sure I knew my surroundings. That's a key part of having a successful photo shoot, because anything can go wrong. Now, part of this shoot, you need to also direct your talent. Your talent needs to know what to do. Some of them are not professional, some of them are. So you need to interview, get to know your talent in order to actually get a good quality product. Because remember, at the end of the day, you're shooting product, you're shooting branding. That's the point of these types of photo shoots, especially when a client that has a substantial following or their own brand, that's what they're looking for. They're looking for a professional that can go ahead and push their idea, their dream, their project into reality. That's where you and I come in. So we're here at Orlando on one of the nice bridges that we have over here. There's Loami right there.
What's up?
He's our model for today. And we're doing some simple urban look, and it's coming out great. The lighting is great. The day's amazing. I told Loami, it's like, bro, today's cold.
Yeah.
It would look really nice.
You don't get too many opportunities to wear a hoodie in Orlando, so yeah, beautiful day. Beautiful.
And there's some really nice places here, so stay tuned. All right, location number 3. So the reason I chose this location is because of the contrast of that black wall. That black wall was being my one stop of light when the light of the sun was hitting it just right. Remember, I have came over to this place a day before, so I knew how the sun was gonna look, and I knew how it was gonna look once I directed my subject to get those shots that I wanted. So whenever you're gonna do your shoot, make sure you go ahead and plan ahead on what you want to do. It's similar to video editing. You always got to be a step ahead. Now, you need to also think about what your client is expecting. You need to, I would say, survey and research your client. on the type of look they're looking for their brand. That way, it's an easy chemistry going back and forth. And be confident. Have fun. Okay, location number 4. We chose this location because we're not in New York, okay, where you can have that building on a ledge with a building in the background. So I had to make do with what I had in my surroundings. So I took the low angle shot with the depth of field with the building in the back, and bam, I got my shot. Now, the spiral bicycle rack with my tally at the end and that POV sold the shot that I was looking for. It was a simple shot, nothing crazy. But that's all I got for you. Hope you guys like this video. Follow us and subscribe. Comment below, ask questions. Give us another idea on whatever you want to see. This is Garces Bros with your host, Brian M. Garces, and we're here to help you out. Take care, guys, and many blessings.